Namaste guys, so in this video we are going to make this mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First click on assembly, click OK. After that go to insert components, click on new part. Select the front plane. Press Ctrl+8 for no masking to the view. Draw the shape as I am showing. Now right click on it. Click on select midpoint. After that by pressing Ctrl select the midpoint. Click on make coincide. Click OK. Now give it a dimension as per your requirement. I am giving it a dimension of 90 mm, but you can change it as per your requirement. Make it 45 mm and make this 125 mm. And distance from here to here is 20 mm. Press escape, select this point and this point. Make it vertical. Click OK. Now trim the all unnecessary lines in your drawing. Go to the features, click on extrude boss face, select this face and this face and this face and extrude up to 15 mm. Click OK. Now select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8, exit the sketch mode, select the right plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8 for no skin to the view. Click on 3-point arc. Draw a center line like this. Now go to the features, click on revolve cut, click on yes. Select this line as a center line. Click on thin feature. Close this first. I have made mistakes. Click on revolve cut again. Make it an angle of 360 degree. Click OK. Thin feature. As you can see this line, so this line is the main problem. Select this line, click on delete. Now go to the revolve cut, click on no this time. That is the mistake that I have done earlier. Click OK. Sketch is intersecting. So press Ctrl+8. We will do something for this. Escape and exit the sketch. Now go to the features, click on revolve cut, and I guess we will get the good result from here now. So yeah, we got this result. Let's increase the thickness. Let's say it's 30 mm. Click OK and go here. Right click on sketch, click on sketch. Click OK. And exit the sketch mode. So here you can see Now select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle here by clicking on sketch. "25 mm", "45 mm". Escape, select this point and this point, make it vertical. Click on extrude, uh, extrude up to 20 mm. So you have to extrude up to 20 mm here. Okay, click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Draw a circle here. 27 mm. Exit, select this point and this point, make it vertical. 17 mm. Extrude. Click OK. So we have created our first part. Now we have to create two more parts and we are done. So exit this. Now we will make our crank. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Click on here, draw the line as I'm showing. Enter the value of 25 mm, 25 mm, 110 mm, 50 mm. Press increase to 150 mm. Escape. Select this point and by pressing Ctrl select this point. Make it coincide. Go to the features. To extrude. Make it 20 mm. Now exit this. Now we have to make one more part and we are done. After that we will do simpling mate. Okay, so click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. So what we are going to create is piston. So let's make it. So draw the line as I'm showing. Escape. Create a circle. We will create circle later onwards. We don't need it right now. And trim this line as well. Sorry for that. Trim this line as well because I have a simple solution. I will do later onwards this thing. Simply make this line big. 135 mm, 80 mm. Uh, Revolve. Click on no. And thickness is 10 mm. Click OK. Select the front plane. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. Draw a circle of 25 mm radius. 25 mm diameter. Escape. Select this point and this point. Make it vertical. And distance is 15 mm. Click on extrude cut. Click on through all both sides. Now select the front plane, click on sketch, draw this corner rectangle as I'm showing, and give it a dimension as per your requirement. Let's say 5 mm, 5 mm, 2.5 mm, 8 mm. Click OK and click on linear pattern. Select the entities and change the angle to 90 degree. Click on reverse direction, increase the number of instances, click OK, draw a center line, escape, click on revolve cut, click on selected counters, uncheck the thin feature. Okay, I have done a mistake. I didn't close this, so I need to first make them close. Escape. Click OK. Exit this assembly component mode. Move this piston upwards. Select this. Click on here. Select this face and this face. Make it concentric and click OK. Now here's the thing you need to do correctly, else you will face a lot of problem at onwards. So make sure that you follow my how I do mating correctly, because if you don't, you will face a lot of issues. So first draw a center line, and if you want to learn about Solidworks motion or analysis, check out my course link in description. And if you want the voucher of the courses, you can just simply message me on my Facebook page. Link is in the description. So as you can see, I can move this part. So go to the mates, select this face and select this one. Make it concentric. Click OK. Select this face. Select this face. Click OK. And after that, what we are going to do, now this step is very important that I'm going to do now right now. So remember, this step is a temporary step. Select this face and select the top plane. Click OK. And what you need to do is go downwards, mates, right click on it, or simply click on it, press F2, name it temporary, so that when we need to remove this, we can easily remove it. Okay, because this is a temporary mate, it is not a permanent. Now select this face and this face. Sorry for that. Select this face by pressing Ctrl. Select this face. Click on coincide. Similarly, select this face by pressing Ctrl. Select this face. Click on concentric. After that, what you need to do is, by pressing Ctrl and right click on it, drag this part. Click on here, click on rotate parts, rotate it. Click OK. Go to the mate, select this face and this line. Make it concentric. Click OK. After that, select this face and this face. Enter distance value. So the distance value I'm using is 60 mm. Just the drawing I'm making is just made by me. It is not from the internet or anything else. So dimensions might not be pretty accurate. and select this face, select the top plane, make it parallel, click OK, close this, and again go downwards, select this, press F2, give the mate's name temporary. Okay, this temporary is already available. uh, Temporary new. So now what we need to do is select this face and this face. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, as you can see there is a one part is missing here, so we will add piston rod, piston pin, or okay, so let's make that part. After that we will do the simulation thing. So click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle of diameter 25 mm and click on extrusion. Select the mid plane, uh, extrude it. Okay, don't worry about the length because we will adjust it later onwards, or just evaluate it. Its diameter is 270 mm. So simply click on this part, go here, right click on it. Before that, select this part, edit components, right click on it, 275 I guess. This is the diameter. Exit the assembly component mode, select this face and this face, click OK. Select this face and this face, click OK. I guess it's 274. So select this part, edit components, right click on it, give it a value of 274. Oh, it's 270. 270. Yeah, 270 is fine. Click OK. Exit this and click on rebuild. Yeah, this one is fine. Now one more thing I have to do is go here, click on view temporary axis, select this line axis, or go to the mates, select this axis and select the right plane, click OK. Now if you remember that we have two temporary mates, simply go here, type temper. Okay, as you can see the temporary, so select these two, right click on it, click on suppress. Now go to the motion study, click on motor, select any phase as per your requirements. Suppose I select this one. Let's decrease the RPM to 30, click OK. Now go to the FPS, increase FPS, and sorry for the unwanted noise, can't do anything for that. Click on calculate. As you can see, just make it playback normal. So if I play it, as you can see, no, something is wrong here. Let's go to the motion analysis for better results. Sometimes animation doesn't give the correct results, so I even don't like it, not going to lie. So go to the motion analysis. It is much worse than that. So right click on it, click on create new motion study, go to the motion analysis and click on motor and select this face, click OK. click on calculate. As you can see, I'm getting the right results, but this thing is not right. It moves here. So let me fix this. So what we can do is go to our model and go to the assembly, click on mates, select this axis, go to advanced mates, click on symmetric. So delete this, select this. So we need to select a face. So what we can do is part 3, select the front plane and select these two faces so that it always in the middle of it. Click OK. Just remember guys, mistakes are your best friends, so always learn from it. Click on rebuild. uh, okay, we will start a new study, motion study. The reason I'm showing my mistake is that so that you can learn from it. What I can do, I can hide them that I doesn't do any kind of mistakes, but you are not going to learn anything. So that's the reason I show my mistakes most of the time. Sometimes my mistakes takes a lot of time, error solving, so I don't show it. But this is small mistakes, so yeah, I can ignore it. First, go to the motion analysis here, note the animation. Now click on. I really don't understand why it is going there. Now let's create new motion study. Go to the motion analysis. Go to the motor. Select this. RPM bit, let's say 20 RPM. Click OK. Increase the FPS to 25 or 30. Click OK and click on calculate. For some reason it is moving there. I don't know why. If I bring it backwards, I don't know why these mates are not okay. This one is hide. Why is this? Why is in hiding mode? I don't know. I don't get it. Like like if I go to motion analysis, now apply the motor. Select this 30 RPM. Click OK. Let's. I don't know why it is go to the hiding mode because that's the thing I think that's making the error. So let's see what we can do. So what we can do is just Solidworks has a lot of bugs and very sorry for the unwanted noises that you are hearing. Select this plane and this phase. Select a distance of 30 mm. Click OK. And one more thing you have to do is go down there, delete it. Yes. Now go to the motion study. Now this one is showing up and use the motor thing and click on calculate. Now this one is now correct place, but this one is not. So we have one more problem. So let's resolve that as well. So select this part. So it's mutual. Select this face. Click on mate. Select this face. Click on distance. 30 mm is fine. Click OK. And we have to delete this mate for this. Click OK and delete. Now go to the motion study. Click on calculate. Now it is working fine, as you can see in the animation. So as you can see, I have done a lot of mistakes and after that I get these results. So yeah, mistakes are your best friend. Try to do a lot of mistakes because they help you to learn a lot of things. And just to know, there are a lot of bugs in SolidWorks, so they arise later onwards, and you can't do anything for about that. I click on this part, go to the model first, right click on it, part. Let's just give some colors to it, that's so that they will look good. Click OK, and part, click OK. Click on here, click on sketches so that we can hide the sketch because we don't want to see it. Now go here, select this view. Oh no, this one is not, it's good. This view is, I guess, fine because we can see in which direction they are rotating. So if I go to 5, click on play. So in that way you can make this anti-rotating mechanism in your PC. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, you can simply ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.